Stiamo bene. Bueno. Here we're gonna make crispy fried squirrel. Huh? Quills. Okay guys, today we're gonna make crispy Indonesian fried quail. Let's go. Ingredients. The quails, you cut it like this. Next, bumbu samawa. Next, Parmesan. Next one is Maizena. Ready to fry. Okay guys, it's ready. Crunchy Indonesian fried quails. Oh my gosh, take a look at that. Oh. It's a crunchy, crispy, spice and herbs mixed with Parmigiano. Delicioso. Take a look at that. You hear the sounds, the crunchiness. So good. So good. You need to make this at home. Who doesn't like fried quails? Everybody love it.